Hello everybody, it is Sue here and welcome to my channel. If you're interested in the December daily process, if you've done an album before or have never heard of it maybe, come on over to the Facebook group and check it out. There's a lot of inspiration there, a lot of women that will definitely love to share their knowledge and their experiences and ideas with all of you. So we would love to have you come over. The link is below. And today I am going to work on covering the album I'm going to use this year. So the album is beautiful. It's a We Are Memory Keepers. It is obviously red. Well, I don't want it to be red because my Christmas collection this year is Santa Baby by Prima, which is, pinks and pretty like almost like a soft seafoam green and some gold. So yeah, no, red is not going to do it for me. So I'm going to start covering the album. The first thing, well, the way I want it to end up is with these fabrics on them. I'm thinking right now that this is going to be the outside, the buffalo plaid, and this will be the inside. Now, if that gets to be too hard for me, I'm just going to do the whole thing in the plaid. This is a no-sew project. It's all glue. I don't sew, and yeah. So, and I want it to look more shabby chic-ish and not shiny and faux leather. So, yeah, I pulled out a emery board of mine, and all I'm doing is going through and just kind of roughening up the finish on here. It's not doing a whole lot. It's getting rid of some of the shininess, some of the smoothness, because I do want to give some tooth to the cover of the album just so I can put some white acrylic paint. I want to tone it down first because I don't want to be able to see the red through the fabric. Yeah, so we're just going to do this step by step. So I'm going to go do that and I'll be back. So again, like throughout the day today, I have off from work today. It is Monday the 19th, a few days before Thanksgiving, and it's probably going to take me the whole day to do this because I'm going to paint some, I'm going to come back and paint more, and like it has to dry, and then I'm going to, whatever. So I'm going to go step by step with all of you. But first step is roughening up the faux leather, and then I will paint it white. So we will see. I think I'm more concerned with the inside. Obviously, I'll take all this out. But I have to figure out, exactly what I'm going to do there. I don't want it to be difficult, I'm not taking things apart. I'm just going to make it work. If it becomes difficult, I know I won't do it. So I'm just going to try. That's all I can do. Okay, so I'll be back after. Well, I was going to say after it's painted. I don't think I'll be stopping in again until after it's painted. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just holding my phone and just recording that I did go ahead. I got the paint on there. So I just wanted to show you. So now it has to dry. I did go ahead and cover, so this is the outside spine right here. I did cover, where you put the, description of what the book is. I covered it with washi as to not get the paint on it, but I may be covering that up, but I figure for now, let me go ahead and protect the silver that was around it. And I ended up using just an old gift card to scrape the paint on there. And I decided to pull out a brayer for when it comes time for me to put down the fabric, I might press it down with this. I don't know though, because it is not clean. I do not clean my brayers, so I just want to make sure I don't get it on the fabric. So maybe that's not a good idea. But anyways, okay, so it's drying. Okay, I'll be back. Bye-bye. Yay, I have the cover on my album. Woohoo! I am excited. So that was the next step that I had to do after painting it. And amazingly so, I was able to cover all of the red on the inside of the album. I thought I might have a problem with like right above the rings and everything. Yeah, I ended up using just the black buffalo plaid. I thought I was going to get some of that pink fabric in as well, but you know what? I was just really happy to just get this done. So I ended up using this Liquitex matte medium to get the fabric down onto the page. Yes, I'm holding my phone because I want to be able to show you, because this is kind of big, so if I had the phone in my tripod it wouldn't work very well. But I was able to cover the whole entire album. The way that I did like these areas here, like over the edge, was I am using double-sided tape to hold that down, and I did have to put like a little patch right here because the fabric wasn't long enough to go all the way around. But now my next step is to go through like all these fun things here, and I'm going to make the charm. And I am also going to think about, I want to put something on the cover. So I'm like, well, do I put it in the middle? Do I focus on one of the corners and just put a pretty, grouping of flowers and stuff? So I don't know. So that is my next thing. And once I have the charm done, as well as the focal point on the cover, then this is going to be ready to go. And since tomorrow is Thanksgiving, I need to get moving on this. So this is my goal, to finish today, which is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. All right, well, look at all this fun stuff I have to play with. So I am excited to do it. I'm thinking about putting some of this, which is old shelf paper, and putting that up top, or maybe on the bottom. I don't know. I have to go think about it. Okay, I will be back. Alrighty, bye-bye. So at this point, I'm working on the charm. I have this beautiful chain that I got from someone at work, and I was able to get it around the album, but I'm gonna have to have a way to like attach it at the top and at the bottom, because right now it will move. So I actually have it going around onto the inside of the album as well, and kind of going through the rings, but it will move. So I need suggestions on what to do as far as that goes. So now I'm gonna continue and get the charms on. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. I'll be back. Bye. All right. I think the charm done. I still need a way to attach it on the top and on the bottom so it doesn't move from side to side. But let me take you up close and you can see all of the fun little charms I have on here, right? I want to make sure you can see it okay. Look at the cute little hand. We have an angel. We have the sun, a cross, little stars, a little guy. Actually, I need to turn him around because he's super cute. He has like a little, let me see if I can get this. He has like little diamonds, so he's backwards. So I need to fix him. Look how cute he is. Yeah, so I bought a bunch of charms from Jerry Bellini, who is Recycled Parts for Art on Etsy. And this is from Michelle. That's an AT coin. Thank you, Michelle. It's perfect. It's beautiful. This is the plastic ornament that I embossed and put extra bling on. Fun, right? I have a little key, a little black key. I did use a key, or I'm planning to use a key on the inside of the album as well. Another little charm, some little tassels. I ended up putting up on just a little bit of this, I don't know what you would call it. Well, it's actually called knitting is what it's called, but just for a little bit more of a shabby chic-ish kind of look. So that is it so far. I mean, for now, I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to be really careful with it because there's a lot going on here. Oh, I have to cut this off too. I have the rickrack on here holding on the ornament. I have to tighten that up and cut that off. I wasn't sure how long I wanted it, but that is my charm. So now I'm going to work on the front. And let's see what, I don't know, I'm thinking flowers. Okay, I'll be back. All right, so the next step is I'm working on the top of the outside of the album. So far I took, it's actually shelf lining, it's paper, and I adhered it down with my matte medium. And it's drying, so it's very wet, and that's why I have it like hanging over my desk, because I have this all the way around and it's on the back on the top, and I don't want it to stick to my table. So then I'm going to put, I have this beautiful, let me go up close. Wait, I want you to see. It has like sequins in it, so it's like this beautiful trim. Look at that. Black, of course. And that's going to end up, whoops, sorry. I'm holding my phone. Sorry about that. It's going to end up there. Up there. Then I decided I'm going to put, excuse me, an arrangement of flowers, the pinks and the golds in the middle here. And then that's going to be the cover of my album. I'll be back. Bye. Alrighty, so the trim has dried and I want to show you how amazing it looks. I think it's still probably a little bit damp, but it's looking good. I'm going to take you around. Here's the charm. You can hear my bird. I'll go up a little closer. There's the charm. It's the whole length of the book. It's 11 inches long. I'm going to go around, and here's the back side. Okay, so the last part is on the front here. I'm going to create my focal piece with flowers, and I will be back to show you that. I might even do a little bit longer video showing you my thought process on how I come up with the format, right, of the design. But I am headed out now for a few hours. I'm going to go and create some Thanksgiving memories. I'm headed to my mother's house. I have to go pick up my granddaughter, head to my mother's house, set up her dining room for Thanksgiving dinner for tomorrow. So I will be back later on. Alrighty, bye-bye.